What up? Okay, what's going on? Yeah, brother, this shit like duck. This shit like duck.
Man, the move same. One of them, then the move same. That nigga had exotic though. You know what I'm saying? He like face, he really the real face of the people. He fuck with the nigga the right way, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I was duck something else today, man.
You got the shit tatted.
What was it about that?
This is tatted on blood. That nigga good. That nigga love a nigga, man. That nigga real nigga, like that nigga real hustler. Like the real definition of a hustler. Yeah, that's him. You know what I'm saying?
And what was your upbringing like coming up out here in Baton Rouge, though?
Me, I moved around a lot. Me person, I ain't really depend on it. My mom moved every year. I moved every year. I stayed with Jackson, Baker. I moved to Baker in 8th grade. I stayed Tommy Bay Double. I stayed in the South before I moved to Baker. Now I just moved, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. My mama moved. My mama did something.
I'm listening. Good.
You know what I'm saying? I moved.
You want me to do it in real time?
You know what I'm saying?
I got you. Give me the sugar and the vein on mine.
Definitely, my nigga. Now, but how does this side of Baton Rouge compare to like the other sides and stuff?
Man, we the sickest side. Fuck off. We the sickest side. We don't fuck with nobody down there, man. We what? Nigga knows, like, nigga knows, you know what I'm saying? All that.
Yeah.
Nigga knows all the stuff. But I used to always write that shit, but I ain't never used to like rap to nobody. I rap to nobody.
Yeah.
My back was like, fuck, I rap to nobody though. You know what I'm saying? But shit, I really just kept on writing and shit, My mama, man, the third grade first hit our shit. I went to my grandma's house in 3rd grade and shit.
Yeah.
So I went to my grandma's shit. I just started saying, I'm like, man, fuck that, I'm gonna be a rapper. I don't wanna do that no. I don't wanna be none of the other shit that these niggas talking about. You know what I'm saying? Everybody wanna go to NBA and shit, you know what I'm saying? I was cool. My mama had just got out of jail. She married Dump's cousin. So she married she married their cousin that's from my shit. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. She married him. So he'll bring us out here every weekend and shit, or he'll bring us out here every week and shit. He'll bring a nigga out here, we'll come out here and fuck with them niggas and shit. You know what I'm saying? And I remember like shit. So by them, but my mom and him breaking up, that's nobody nigga.
Yeah.
So when I really finally came out with my mama didn't even listen to this first. My mama, she knew that I was rapping the truth though. Cause it was like my grandpa and shit, my grandpa heard my shit. My grandpa cried and shit when he heard my shit, like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't know nobody else speak up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So my family members, when they hear my shit and shit, they know, cause they know they ain't telling no lies and shit, they really in my, in that shit, so that's why they really